apart from that, I am also lucky to be the first batch student in ASTA Gurukul. Now, ASTA Gurukul is an academy or a university or an institution, whatever you would like to call it, wherein they impart the practical hands-on experience in stock market trading. And it has been a very enriching experience. It's a grueling session. The session we start at about 7:15 in the morning with a breakfast, and the session goes on till 11 p.m. in the night. After that, we have to come back and do preparations for the next day. But the kind of molding that it has done to me, the kind of discipline it has imparted to me is something beyond words. I cannot just express in words. The 9 days stay in Gurukul has definitely transformed me a lot, and I would recommend every ASTA student to make it a point to come to Gurukul at some point of time. Of course, there are certain criteria to qualify to be a student at Gurukul. The first university of its kind in India or maybe in the world. The conference hall is one of the out-of-the-world conference hall which I have seen ever. Even in my corporate life, I have seen a lot of conferences and lot of there are many 5-star hotels where we get to have regular conferences, but this conference hall is definitely out of the world experience, and this is one thing which you have to come and experience here. The hostel stay is something, it is not a hostel, it is like a 5-star hotel in the way they have constructed it, and they have a very good homely food canteen. And the people also here who comes with here, there is no competition, there is no race. Here there is nothing, everybody are equal and everybody are students, everybody have come to learn. So this is one of the wonderful experiences. The place, the ambience, the people, everything about this place is outstanding and awesome.